Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Clayton, and this is going to be a kind of short video because there were some people in my comment section that wanted me to play the CD from my debunking video for strange sound while mushroom hunting. They want me to play the CD in a CD player. Of course, I had said in my comments that my original CD player had stopped working recently. It was a Sony CD player, and instead, I'm going to use my speakers here for my desktop setup. And I've actually got the Scary Sounds CD with me, and I've already got it put in the CD tray here. Or well, the disk drive here, I've already got it put in. And I actually have the tracks pulled up here. So I'm going to play this for you. Right here, I'm going to scroll down. This up here is number 1. So I'm going to scroll down to, I think, 47. I'll play 46 first. It's booting up. So what you just heard was the sound effect from the video that I talked about, added with different sound effects because this is supposed to be like a Halloween compilation CD. But then if you go down to track 47 individually, well, there you have it. That is the sound effect that I had referenced in my video. It is on that CD. I'm going to take the CD out and show it to you one more time. You can hold up. You can even see here, right there, track 47. That's on the CD. And I believe I said in my video that right here, the CD was released in 1994. Or at least that's when these tracks were burned onto the disc. And I'm going to close out of this. And I'm going to take the CD out of the tray here so I can show it to you. It even says PMG Halloween, just like I said in my video. Right there, you can see PMG Halloween. And I'm going to show you right there. Scary Sounds, PMG Halloween, sound effects, and music. And I think that'll do it. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.